Hey everyone, it's Matt with EquiPredict.com. Thanks so much for checking this video out. In this video, we're just going to review briefly how to have Gmail work for you and help you and assist you in timing your entries and exits into the stock market, and basically kind of help you keep your sanity and help you keep organized when it comes to tracking your plans for a particular stock. And again, if you're enjoying some of the content we're providing here at the channel, please do feel free to subscribe. You can also head over to our website, EquiPredict.com. There's a lot of information over there for forecasting the stock market, and we do keep our readers abreast of what's happening with occasional specific alerts as well. So up on the screen here, we're just going to use American Airlines as an example. We have the week ahead coming up, the week of July 29th, and what we want to do is we want to use Gmail to have us push out an alert to us. Basically, I developed this own technique for myself and some of the guys I work with because of the fact that I personally got tired of reacting to alerts and wondering why did an alert go off. Yes, there are alert systems out there that allow you to attach notes as to why a price hit a particular area of support or resistance or consolidation, but I really wanted the point in time to be pushed out towards me. I didn't want to have to look at my calendar every day and see a stack of directions. I wanted something that was proactively pushed to me. So when you have a chart, you might, again, if you're into the forecasting world like we are, the calendar is more of a driver than just the price action alone. And so it helps to have a particular system in place to keep you organized. So when you have a system like here for American Airlines, we have an alert that we want to set up for the week of 7/29, which is this upcoming week, and we also have an alert that we'll set for the October, the week of October 21st. What you'll do is you'll go over to your Gmail account if you have it. If you don't, I would suggest getting Gmail. And what you want to do is just pull up a compose message. You want to go ahead and fill it out to whoever you want to have that message go to. For some, it might not be yourself, it might be a friend or family member, but you want to send it to yourself here. Just fill out your information. Obviously, you want to create a subject line that is eye-catching to you. You want it to come to your attention pretty quickly and easily, and you want to know what's happening when you see that message come through. Then you want to go ahead and copy the link to the chart of your choice. You could use web platform of your choice. It could be Yahoo or it could be TradingView, but you want to go ahead and copy the link to the chart there. So you want to head back over to the chart that you created or that you're watching, and then you have your date in mind. You want to go ahead and then copy the link there. Then what you want to do is actually head down, and I'm going to just shrink myself down here a little bit. You want to head down to this button in the bottom left, and you want to hit that button to the right of the send, which is the schedule send button. It'll bring up a prompt at that time that will alert you to, you can choose a predefined time that you want to go ahead and send it, or choose your own. Obviously, you want to choose your own time. In this particular example, we would choose just Mondays can be a difficult time to go ahead and buy stocks, given the fact that the market conditions can vary right out of the gate. Tuesdays are oftentimes a decent time to buy stocks. But we're just going to, again, choose Tuesday here for the heck of it. So Tuesday, July 30th, we're going to choose 7 a.m. so it comes to us in the morning. And what we do is over for our readers at EquiPredict.com, we send out a daily alert when the need arises for that. So if you'd like, you can, again, head over there and sign up to that newsletter. But you can go ahead and just schedule the message for July 30th, 7 a.m. You hit schedule send, and then what you do is you get a nice alert in the bottom left-hand corner of your Gmail letting you know that it's scheduled to be sent on July 30th at 7 a.m. to yourself, and that alert will pop up in your inbox with this nice green button, or you can choose any emoji you want or no emoji, whatever it might be, but we just want a nice green button to let us know it's time to look for a buy or time to look for acquiring shares of American Airlines. And then so we go ahead and this subject line is going to be nice and visible in your inbox, and then that will alert you to go ahead and take a look for some bullish action in the stock that day or that week. So I hope that helps you kind of keep yourself organized, keeps your stress low when you're reacting to alerts and everything. And if you're in the forecasting realm like we are, the calendar is a big driver, and Gmail pushing messages out to you proactively in the morning or that particular week with instructions on what to do is a big help to help keep things organized. So good luck, good trading, and take care.